Have you slurped a tickle? Have you slurped a tickle? And you? Have you? Yes, you have. Now, this tickle that you slurped at 7-Eleven, what is it? Don't you know that being tickled will get you nowhere? Well, then why do you do it? Well, let me just put it to you this way. I think that anybody who slurps a tickle at 7-Eleven is a ding-a-ling, and I'm getting out of here. Tickle, the new Slurpy flavor at 7-Eleven that tastes funny. Firewater, the Savage Slurpee at your 7-Eleven TP. Better than a ring dance, beats a scalping party, makes a cowboy look ridiculous. This is a Arapaho, Comanche, Kiowa, and Apache, all in one super savage cup of 7-Eleven Slurpee. Wait, it's a trap. They've got us surrounded. They'll attack any minute. But we'll beat them at their own game. Everybody slurp a firewater. The 7-Eleven Savage Slurpee. Wait, here's the chief.
Listen, I'll swap you 3 arrows and a pretty good-looking squaw for a cup of that firewater.
Get out of here, you bum, you nuttin'.
Sour puss.
No, I don't want anything, and leave me alone.
Sour puss.
All right, what's with the bang, bang, bang? I'm gonna call the cops.
Sour puss. Sour power. The new 7-Eleven Slurpee flavor. It turns you off. If sour is your bag, then sour power is your Slurpee. Get off the sweet kick. That's not you, Marvin. Get sour. Slurp a sour power at 7-Eleven and get off on the wrong foot.
You're just not my cup of tea.
Sour power. The new Slurpee flavor only at 7-Eleven.
It's powerful, sourful.
7-Eleven presents Fullabulla. Fullabulla. What else? Right from El Toro himself. The flavor with a picador for a kicker. That's Fullabulla. The crowd, ready for the big one, champing at the bit. That's Fullabulla. Now then, the matador prancing, lunging, teasing. That's Fullabulla. El Toro, the bull in his magnificence. This is his day, and he's up to it. That's Fullabulla. And now, the moment of truth. You, at your 7-Eleven store, slurp it, and you know you're Fullabulla.
All right, get this. I'm gonna tell you just one time about Red Eye. You think you slurped, don't you? Well, you ain't. You ain't never done it. You ain't slurped Red Eye.
Red eye.
I rode into town late one night and I was choked up with dust and I had me a thirst. I'll tell you what. I pulled up to the first 7-Eleven store I saw and I asked the fella for a double slurp. I didn't know that what he handed me was a Red Eye.
Red eye.
I took a long pull on the straw and then I knew it for sure. I knew I'd slurped me.
Red eye.
Now that's all I got to say about it. When you decide you want to know what happens when you're red eye, go on over to 7-Eleven and slurp yourself one.
Sucker. sure is easy for going down sticky icky. 7-Eleven, where you get this thing, just one slurp and a ring it dang dang. Sticky icky. This new 7-Eleven SLURP flavor didn't come easy, We searched the world over for just the right sticky. Then do you know what we did? We made the icky, and then we started with the sticky, and we ended up calling it the sticky icky. 7-Eleven, where you get this thing? Just one slurp and a ring-a-ding-ding.